hunting for snorers.
I
am about to catch the biggest snorer of them all. Here he is. His name's Tommy. Tommy the Tiger. If you sneak up on them, if you slowly sneak up on them, they stop snoring. Suddenly, if you jump on them, oh my God!
It's my ball. Oh, my ball. My ball hurt. My ball hurt. My ball hurt. My ball hurt. My ball hurt.